Alright guys, so this was just a quick video showing you my progression with the hand drill. I've been starting to practice with it for the past 3 days or so, just giving it 5 or 10 minutes every day, you know, just improving technique and trying to put more downward pressure. So as you can see, it is improving. I have seen just from practicing it like every day, I've seen pretty good improvements, to be honest with you. I did just manage to get some black char, and there was a decent amount of smoke there as well, so hopefully soon I'll be able to crack it. So I might just keep a video diary of you know, as I go through it and get better at it. But yeah, that's one of the things I wanted to do this year, was conquer the hand drill. So stay with me guys, and I'll do another video as soon as I can. Cheers.